When you visit a website, everything you see, buttons, colors, layouts, that's the front end. But what exactly does that mean? Let's break it down. Front end is the part of a website or app that users interact with directly. It's everything you see and experience in your browser, from layout and design to animations and forms. Technologies used. Front-end developers use 3 core technologies: HTML, hypertext markup language, for content and structure; CSS, cascading style sheets, for styling and layout; JavaScript, for interactivity and dynamic behavior. For example, when you click a button and see a pop-up, or hover over a menu and it expands, that's JavaScript in action. Layout and colors? That's CSS. Text and structure? That's HTML. Difference between front-end and back-end. Front-end is like the shop window. The back-end is the warehouse behind it. They work together to make websites functional and beautiful. Why it's important. Good front-end design improves user experience, accessibility, and helps businesses attract and keep users. Ready to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Subscribe and follow for more tutorials.